There we go, starting on that one. You wake up this, just say it's, well, here it's, there is a time, wait, I'm sorry. There is a time, it's that day, Sunday, 11:33 in the morning. Okay. And just real quickly, I want to run through my little pictures that I took of this radio here. Let's see, I have it centered on that. I'm always forgetting something. I just had that thing. There it is. Okay, here we go. Here's the remote for the camera. Okay. So, in the picture here is the pictures I took of the radio, which I just, let me zoom in a bit so you can see it's got a little mark right there, and there's a date, 12/14, whatever. So there's the end of it there, the top of it, okay, you know, it looks like any other one. There's the back of it, and I want to point out it's got a little divot out of the back cover, just so we know that this is that one, right? Back cover open, open the radio, okay, and then just take a picture of that side just in case there's something different. Same thing over here, just make sure the wires, where they go. Here I found the issue, had to, you know, do some soldering with the, you know, the extra hands, so that's what solved that. And that's the last picture. I just like to see the underside of these, because you never do see the underside of them. It's just one belt and like that. So I'm just going to stop that there. And then I have this paused on my Facebook page as to proof that I did just open this radio. So if you in Facebook, there's only 414 views of this. And so then, without further ado, let me wide out this camera here, because the Facebook camera going live, wait, there we go. Let me just bump this down some, okay. I have a, for me it's all about cassettes. So I have a Ray Charles 20 Greatest Hits. I play a few seconds of that. The batteries are dead on the radio, but it'll play the cassette properly at a low volume. If I run the volume up, it will go, you know, slower. So here we go. Here's the tape.
To live in memory.
And if I run the volume up,
all alone sometimes.
that's all I'm going to play. And then of course we flip it to radio.
This is a joke. We don't need to find anything on Cincinnati. Which you don't.
See, there's the, that's line in. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to shut. It's on battery right now. If I turn the meter off,
right? I think that this has more to do with the fact that because it is the Bengals, it has less to do with, hey, they were actually trying to see what the Bengals game plan was going to be. They were going to have somebody there anyway because they had the Bengals coming up next week. But it was more like, listen, let's see how far we can push the limits. It's been a decade plus. We know we're going to need to get a little extra something against these teams we're playing in the playoffs because we're not as good as we were before.
That's it there. So it's working.
Let's see what is capable, what's possible out there.
You know, here's a little mark right there I showed you in the picture, and then here's the funny looking battery cover. Okay, but it works fine.
Here in week 15
okay,
of the NFL season.
This is I'm not. Can't really say. I just wanted to make this video to show the guy that this is free now. I'm still waiting on one to come from Japan. It's coming by way of C-mail. If anyone knows what C-mail is. I ordered that thing back in November 8th. Okay, now the next part of this is okay, great. So I need a knife. Here's my knife. Here is the unboxing part. I bought this. This is a laptop that I got off of. See, can it show up in there? It does show up in there. Okay, so I'm going to carefully open this up. This is a laptop bought from HP, and I got this one configured, and I've never opened one before, or yeah, I've never opened one. Well, I haven't opened a laptop in brand new one, and like I think 2012 was the last time I bought a laptop. So in case you've never seen the inside of a laptop box being opened, this is it. This is the video, and I got a red one because I wanted to differentiate between the black ones, and so I've never. So there's a laptop, and now I wanted to make sure that yes, it does come with a. It does come with a little power brick. Yay! I was so concerned about that. So here's a three-way plug and to a three-way plug, and then the power plug, and you all know what that is, right? So there's that plug thing there, okay. And then as I carefully pull this out, all right, so there it is, and that's it. There's nothing else in the box here, just a box. All right, throw that down, and then we got setup instructions. Like there is no CD-ROM here, so came in a nice bunch of stuff. Okay, and that's it. So it's a nice red HP laptop. Let me just get the tape off of here. The logo says HP on it. That's cute. Says HP on the logo. Alright. And no, I'm not going to boot this. I just wanted to get it out, look at it, check it out, see what it's got. Let's open it here. Let's see here. Does it have a separator paper? Oh, it does have a nice little paper in there. So this is a 15-inch screen, and there it is. So looks like that. It's got a Core i7 10th generation 10521 or something like that. I can't remember all that stuff, but I'll post all that up if you need to see it. Okay, so there is the laptop. That's nice and pretty and all that. Okay, so there's a laptop. Put that. This we can just put it back in the carry-all stuff. Don't need to get it all scratched up and all that stuff. And then we got one more thing, which we bought as an upgrade. This I'll show you more, but I don't want to show off my address and all that stuff. So there's that. So where's my knife? I put my knife back in the box. I have to replay the video to see where I put it. Well, where'd the knife go? I just had the knife. I just used the knife. What did you do with the knife? Isn't that fabulous? It's not here, not there. What did you do with it? Put this down here. Don't step on that. Okay, well, I have to get out a different knife. Alright, so again, this is the, like that. It's my upgrade. Let's see here. I don't have my belt. Okay, oh, I'm having too much fun here. I have to replay the video to see where the knife went. Golly. I keep the knife right in this box here, and there is no other knife. It's just the one little knife which I use to open up the box. Alright, well, let's do it the archaic way. Let's just get a, oops, this here. Pop that open. Of course, you probably can't see anything. You're probably just seeing the back of me. Alright, so, yeah. Okay. Alright, well, there we go. It's got some nice little, okay, nothing to it. That's it. So that's what we got. We got two of these. Okay, see that? 1, 2. Okay. Yeah, 1, 2. Yeah, so we got two brand new sealed Ultra SSD 3D 4 terabyte. Yeah. Okay, so that I'll put one of these inside of the laptop here and put the other one in the other thing when I get it. Alright, and that's all I wanted to show you today. Hope you enjoyed that. One of those going in here. There we go, one of those going in here. Alright, fabulous. So, that's a nice looking. Does this have speakers on the bottom? I don't know. Doesn't have much in the way of exhaust ports. Let's see, well, anyway, I'm too much fun. Alright, so that's it. That's my little short thing. Okay, good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I got 1, 2, 3, the radio, the boombox, the drive, and the laptop. Alright, thanks for watching. Gotta go. Let me turn this camera off.